Yes. So I'm just going to explain one more time about this entire course. So as we know that this Reiki, entire Usui Reiki level 1, level 2, level 3, which means master level as well as grandmaster level, all of these things we are going to teach. The dates are 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th of January. So for in 4 days, we'll be covering all of these, of course, along with the attunements and placements and psychic surgery, everything. So after you have underwent this training of 4 days, you will be able to, of course, you will become the grandmaster. You will be getting the certificate. You will also be able to teach and attune and heal others. Okay. So it is a gradual process, and the attunements we'll be giving in the morning at 6 o'clock. We will share the dates with you from 6 to 6:30 a.m. And even if you cannot do the attunement live, you will still get the attunement, which we are saying continuously. Like Meghaviji said, that on our platform, we have done Gajanan Reiki, we have done Karuna Reiki, we have done many kinds of Reikis. And still till date, even the paid members who are registered for that course, they are also taking attunement through the recording, because we vocally intentionally we set that intention. Okay, so if you really want to become a Reiki channel, this is your chance, because we really are very genuinely putting that intention, because we want more Reiki healers. Okay, so you will be able to, if you have ever been curious about Reiki, what is it, Meghaviji really simplifies it. You have gone through the reviews, you've seen the feedback. So this is your chance. It is the complete Usui Reiki we will teach. Whoever is with us, you know that whatever we teach completely. It is not like we will tell you that after this you register for another level, then you re-register. No, in this rupees 999 you are getting everything related to Usui Reiki. Okay, so I have told you the fees. Now a small thing is that we want to give another gift to all of you who are registering for this course tonight, which is before midnight. If you're paying rupees 999, and if you're registering for the Usui Reiki Master Grandmaster course, then we are giving one gift from our end. I will just want to share my screen for that. Okay, before sharing, I'll just tell you something about it. So we are going to offer the Zebu symbols course. Now, what are Zebu symbols? They are magical symbols which are universally used. Okay, just like how is one word which is universally used, or God is one word which is universally used. So that is why these words have good energy, right? Similarly, Zebu symbols are symbols. There are 88 symbols. So you can imagine that even if your specific requirement is very different, maybe I want to do healing for stuck money. Maybe someone wants to do it for relationships. Maybe someone wants to do it for overcoming their fears. Maybe someone wants to just overcome the stuck up energy. So, for your individual needs, we have a symbol for that. So, there are 88 symbols which we will be teaching you. Okay, it is an 18-day course, 18 दिन का course है. When will you get this course? If you're registering today before midnight for the Usui Reiki course, you will be given the entire Zebu healing course. Okay, and on the last day, so 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, on the 8th of January our course is ending. On 8th night itself you will be given lifetime access of all of this 18 days course. And if you have any doubts for this 18 days, you can always reach out to me. So I've told you that we will be teaching and explaining all the 88 symbols. What else will we be teaching? That how to heal yourself, how to do distant healing, and how to heal your partner, like whoever, how to heal others through Zebu symbol healing. You will be taught Zebu card reading, one card spread, two card spread, three card spread, four card spreads, all types of. So you can make the Zebu cards. In our course, we have also encouraged you. We have shown you how you can make your own Zebu cards. You don't have to do any other investment. In fact, I will say that rather than buying the Zebu cards, you make the Zebu cards yourself, because they will give you correct prediction, because they're energized with your energy, they're attuned with your energy. So we are teaching how to do Zebu cards, making your own Zebu cards, how to do Zebu card reading, how to cast spells using Zebu symbols. So again, this entire course is complete basic to advanced. There is nothing else you need to learn about the Zebu symbols or Zebu healing. So this is the gift offer, and I will just quickly share the course content also with you, so you get a brief idea. Yeah, so I trust you can all see my screen over here on the
Yes.
site. Yeah. So on
Yeah.
the website, you can see that the fee is 888. But again, for those of you registering today, it will be completely free. How to draw them. Every day's videos we'll be sharing that, how to draw all the 88 symbols, their meaning, their significance, their usage. Um, all the 88 symbols are included. I told you that how to make your Zebu card deck, all these things will be taught. Healing. Okay, every Zebu symbol is also related to a body part. So that will also be given. So everything will be given. And as you can see, it is completely 18 days course. And this also you have any, in fact, even for Reiki course, if you have any doubts, you can always reach out to us even after the course is over. So that was this announcement. I'll just put in the registration details on the group and you all can register and become Zebu healers as well as Reiki healers. So yes, that was an announcement from my side. And I just cannot thank Dr. Meghavi enough because she always agrees and she's so giving. She's so genuinely giving. If you all, some of you don't want to do the level 2 and level 3, but still just do this. I'll give you the recording. She will give the notes. We'll give everything. Become a Reiki channel. Try to spread this healing. Try to practice it. And Reiki Grandmaster is different than no. It we are going to cover everything. But Dr.
See,
Meghavi,
I just give reply. The lot of Reiki practitioner are dividing in the five aspects, that level one, level two, level three A, level three B, like that way. Okay, but I am covering everything into the two and three. Okay, in that 4 days, we learn all the symbols, Chokure, Seiheki, Honsa, Jeshonen, and Daikomyo, and then whatever the space of psychic surgery and lot of thing we cover in this Reiki. And I will cover some seal where there are lot of attunement process, but I will teach you very simple and powerful, which you received right now. With that way, I will share to in that space. So everything you learn in that 4 days, and you are also after practicing and create. Once you feel that confidence within you, you can also able to teach others. So don't worry. Yeah. Yes, and in that also I will resolve all your myths, whoever have and whoever yet not practice Reiki, even though they learned Reiki. Yeah, so definitely. Yes, then let's we take the question of Preeti ji.
yes, yes. Preeti ji, please unmute yourself. Yes, Preeti ji, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Jai Jinendra, Pooja, and Jai Jinendra,
Jai Jinendra,
Didi.
yes.
I just wanted to ask one thing. First of all, I'm away up to 7th. So if even if I do it, I will miss the live sessions because I'm out of the town. Another thing, I have done level one and two with Charu Didi, if you know. You might know her, the Bhaktavar Healing Group. So I've done with her. So up Honsa Jesunan I have done with her. Chokuru and Seiki I have
Yeah, so
done with
Preeti
her.
ji, what is your question? Yeah, here.
Yeah. So my question is still, do you think I should do it or I should not do it?
See, if you are ready to go through the recording, then I can say yes, completely you can do it. And whenever you feel that you are ready to see the recording, you can receive everything through the recording. And after that, also you have any queries, you can feel free to ask us. Our Pujaji will reply you immediately whenever she will be free. Okay,
Okay.
so
So you are doing level 1, 2, and 3, right? So
hmm.
there is one extra symbol you are giving, right? After the Honsu
Yes,
Jesunan.
in third level, because you are see, Daikomyo is the symbol where you are able to attune others.
Oh,
Okay,
okay. So
so
is it Grandmaster or Grandmaster is completely different thing?
नहीं, it is a grandmaster. Grandmaster में तीन चीजें कवर होती है, attunement के डाइकोमियो सिंबल, साइकिक सर्जरी एंड हाउ टू अट्यून अदर्स. अभी इसको आप तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड करो या एक साथ में लर्न करो, दैट इज कंप्लीटली अप टू यू.
Okay, so 7th I'll be back, but the issue is India time and London
Yeah,
time is
5,
different.
7, yeah. Then 8, 9 is main. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 7 and 8 is for the grandmaster.
Okay, Fine.
Okay.
But I will get the recordings anyway, right? So I have to go through the
Yes, yes,
recordings.
completely. Even though पूजा इज
Okay.
देयर, जो लोग पूजा से कोविड से भी जुड़े उनको पता है। इवन तो उन्होंने कोविड में लिया होगा कोर्स और आज भी पूजा को पूछेंगे, पूजा इज देयर टू रिप्लाई देम। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि अभी इतने सालों से आपने लिया हुआ है। तो मे बी सुमन इज द राइट पर्सन टू गिव दैट रिप्लाई टू यू, प्रीति जी। या यस,
No,
सुमन
I
जी।
know. I know Pooja. So
Yes,
Pooja
then
is always
there is
helpful.
no
I know. I know.
question. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
Megha Viji.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Jai
Yeah. Thank
Jinendra.
you,
Thank
Preeti
you.
ji. Yeah.
I will
Jai
just
Jinendra.
add one thing that आप में से बहुत लोगों ने किया रहेगा पहले भी, but trust me, I mean once मैंने भी किया है, but then when Meghavi ji teaches, it's very different. She has simplified it. I don't know if Dimple is here in the call, but she can say that she had done from everyone, but when she teaches, she really breaks it down so simply that इतना बहुत लोगों को तो डर लगता है रेकी से, but it's so simple. So yes, I think you should not miss it. And she is agreed to do it at such a reasonable fee because of her generosity. So I think you should totally not miss this chance. Yeah. So thank you, Preeti ji. Thank you so much. हाँ सुमन जी, please ask your question.
या मैं प्रीति जी का बता दूं, मतलब उनको डाउट था कि
नहीं,
मैंने
it's
कोर्स
okay, वो क्लियर हो
5 साल
गया।
पहले भी लिए हैं एंड मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला बिकॉज ऑफ माय वर्क एंड आई keep watching the recording after 1 year 2 year and it is still there.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
Yes, thank you. Yes,
Thank you.
सुमन जी, आपका क्या सवाल था?
सो मैंने रीकी नहीं किया है कभी भी। दिस इज द फर्स्ट
हाँ।
टाइम आई विल बी डूइंग इट। आई एम अ प्राणिक हीलर, मैंने प्राणिक हीलिंग किया है। So in Reiki, you said there are various forms, and Usui is one. So, like, if you can just throw some light, that is this
Yes,
the
yes,
best form to
completely.
learn, or
See,
like,
even though I am aware of that 50, 80 plus Reikis are there, but I am also the Grandmaster of 4 Reiki. Okay, so
okay,
the Reiki meaning, मैं जब एकदम सभी के लिए एक सिंपल वे में मैं आप सभी को बताऊं तो रेकी क्या है, यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी फ्लो से आप कनेक्ट हो रहे हो। और जैसे जैसे आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रेकी से जुड़ते जाओगे वहां से आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सिंबल्स को सीखोगे। और वो
okay,
सिंबल है दैट इज द कम्युनिकेशन विद दैट एनर्जी। Okay, if you are utilizing the Chokure symbol and you are tuned with that energy, then you just opening that channel and just receiving those kind of energy, and that chok whatever the contribution Chokure is giving you. Okay, तो हर एक सिंबल का अपना एक काम है, अपना एक कंट्रीब्यूशन। काम तो नहीं मैं बोलूंगी, पर मैं ऐसा बोलूंगी, सॉरी फॉर दैट वर्ड, बट मैं बोलूंगी उनका एक कंट्रीब्यूशन है। तो वो
okay,
कंट्रीब्यूशन जब आप उस सिंबल से ट्यून होते हो या उस सिंबल की पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी रिसीव करते हो, तब आप उस एनर्जी के साथ जुड़े हुए कंट्रीब्यूशन को रिसीव करते हो। अभी हमने 24 में क्या किया, सिर्फ रिसीव किया। देर इज नो
right,
मच पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट पे कि मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हूँ। बट समझो हम
oh,
चोकुरे को से साथ प्रॉपर से ट्यून हो रहे हैं, तो हम वो ही एनर्जी यानी प्रोटेक्शन की एनर्जी हम रिसीव कर रहे हैं। ओके,
okay,
तो हर एक सिंबलिक लैंग्वेज की अपनी एक एनर्जी, अपना एक कंट्रीब्यूशन है। तो जैसे जैसे आपकी स्पेस में आपको, और देखो आप एक बार ये फील्ड में, जैसे आप प्राणिक हीलिंग में हो, तो अभी आपको रेकी, और उसके बाद जैसे जैसे आपके सामने अलग अलग रेकी आएगी ना, आपका अवेयरनेस ही आपको बताएगा कि ये आपके लिए अभी है या नहीं है। ओके, उसके
okay,
बाद कुछ कुछ रेकी मैंने 2 साल के बाद सीखी है, कुछ मैंने चीजें अभी सीखी है जब मेरी स्पेस में वो 2 साल पहले भी आया था। बट तब मेरी बॉडी ने बोला नहीं अभी तेरे लिए नहीं है। बट अभी मेरी बॉडी ने बोला नहीं, दिस इज राइट टाइम फॉर यू टू लर्न दिस, गो अहेड। ओके,
I
ये
think I'm
अवेयरनेस
feeling
आना
the
स्टार्ट
same
हो जाए।
thing कि मैं
हाँ,
प्राणिक हीलर तो हूँ बहुत सालों से और रीकी के बहुत सारे कोर्सेज है, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई अटेंडेड एंड आई एम फीलिंग लाइक डूइंग इट। सो या
ऐसे ही
इट्स
होता
कॉलिंग।
है। सी, ऐसे ही ये सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं बने हैं, हमारी बॉडी हमें बताती जाती है, हमारी सोल हमें वहां तक लेके। हीलिंग जर्नी इज मोर अबाउट योर सोल, योर स्पिरिट कॉलिंग। ओके, वो आपको
या
वहां से लेके जा रही है क्योंकि वो चाहती
ट्रू,
है कि आप इतने अवेयर हो जाओ कि पेन में भी आप प्लेजर और लर्निंग को ढूंढ लो, और वहां ये
राइट,
आपको कंट्रीब्यूट करती है। या
राइट,
ओके,
या
यस,
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू
एंड
डियर।
curious to know, I can't wait till 8th and 9th. Okay, what is this psyche surgery? मतलब,
Okay, psychic surgery, where you are doing the surgery through the universal energy. Okay,
okay.
so you are removing the pain, you are doing the healing. So आप पूरी एक वुंड की सर्जरी करते हो, but not with the instrument, but with the help of
Yeah.
symbols and universal
Oh,
energy flow. Okay, so this kind of
perfect.
surgery.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
okay,
you so
yeah.
much. Yeah,
Thank you, thank you.
thank
Yeah,
you.
yes.
चलो,
Yes, Chandra ji. पूजा जी, चंद्रा जी को अनम्यूट करेंगे आप?
हाँ मैं अनम्यूट करिए ना चंद्रा जी. I am sending her the request, but she's not. Chandra ji, are you here?
आई
I
थिंक सो. हाँ.
think she's not here.
आई मैम, वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन यू सेड focus in addition to the master level. तो ये जी किसी नंबर से सवाल आया था, उनको तो रिप्लाई दे दिया हमने.
एक चीज के लिए वैभव जी, if you're still here, yes, absolutely. Even if you're from the US or any part of the world, if you want to learn Reiki and if you're watching the recording, you are going to receive the attunement. There are so many people, so many participants of ours who do the Reiki attunement through recording only, and they've got the same results. So doing it through recordings is absolutely not an issue. Yeah.
Even though for Kuntal ji, trust me, even though you just practice with the level 1, it will also help you a lot for your BP related issue. But I can suggest, if possible, then just also tune with this beautiful four magical symbols. It will enhance your results. ओके, तो आप ये जब ज्वाइन करोगे तो डाइकोमियो आपके स्पेस में बहुत ही कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए. इवन दो यू कैन डू द साइकिक सर्जरी फॉर योर फिजिकल हेल्थ. या रिमूव ऑल द हार्ट पेन. ओके, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? ओके, कोर्स का तो पूजा जी आपको बता देंगे कहाँ पे करना है. ओके, सो yeah, I hope I covered all the questions. Still, if you have any queries, any questions, you can feel free to ask Pooja ji. And yeah, Preeti ji has some question.
Okay, we'll take this last question. Yeah.
Yeah,
I got
yes,
Bhavi's
yes.
hand.
Sorry, Meghaviji. Sorry,
No, it's
Pooja.
okay, it's
Uh,
okay.
just wanted to, you also mentioned Karuna Reiki.
Yes.
So it's Karuna Reiki are we doing in this, or how different it is?
No, Karuna Reiki is different. In Karuna Reiki, we have a 13 symbol, 13 symbols hai, and each
Okay.
symbols has very different contribution. Okay, so this is, we can say, the basic, and then this is more बेसिक तो नहीं हम बोल सकते, पर ये हमारी शुरुआत है. ओके, जैसे
Okay.
सुमन जी ने बोला, उसके बाद आपके स्पेस में जो भी रेकी आती है, वो आपकी स्पेस में आपकी कॉलिंग है. आप देखिए, आपको वो कनेक्ट हो रहा है, तो ये अभी आपका ट्यून होने का टाइम आ गया है इनके साथ.
Okay.
या
So
कनेक्ट होना.
we ourselves will feel that okay, now next is this is ready. We are ready for that.
यस यस यस, मेरे पास तो ऐसे
Okay.
बहुत सारे हैं. जैसे देखो, अभी जैसे पूजा जी ने बताया, सी दिस इज माय जीबू, फिर दिस इज माय, सो ये सब आपकी कॉलिंग्स आएंगे. दिस इज माय रून्स आई हैव फॉर द रेकी ऑल्सो दिस काइंड ऑफ, कि ये मेरे हीलिंग रूम में हमेशा रहते ही है. ओके, तो दिस ऑल आर द यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज, जो आप यूनिवर्सल फ्लो के साथ कनेक्ट होते हो. जैसे अभी मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, आप मेरे से कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हो और मेरे से गाइडेंस रिसीव कर पा रहे हो. सिमिलरली, यू आर कनेक्टिंग विद द यूनिवर्सल फ्लो, tuning with this symbolic language, and you are receiving whatever you are looking for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yes. Yeah, Dimple, you wish to share anything here? You are here and
Yeah,
showing
also
your
for
smile.
sharing,
Huh.
sorry. When you were giving that, we were doing that 24 organs healing and everything. Yeah, for few things, I was like, I missed from your when you did Swadhisthana Chakra to you went to Manipur Chakra. So I missed Manipur Chakra. Maybe I slept or whatever. Straight away I woke up at Heart Chakra. So maybe I was sleeping or I don't know,
So
but
that
I
is
felt
called as
really
a trance
relaxed.
state. It's not a
Oh,
sleeping, it is called as a trance state. So that's why I'm told when I'm talking with the Akshay ji, I told the same thing. Allow this healing to take you into that trance state without the music. Okay, trust
okay, yeah.
me. Once
So,
you
but it
start,
was amazing. Thank you.
yes,
Thank you.
yes,
I
yes,
felt
yes.
so good
Thank
and
you so,
relaxed. Thank you.
thank you so much. Yes, yes. Let's we listen the Dimple and complete the call. Yeah,
हाँ
Dimple.
So हाँ जैसे someone was saying कि they have already learned. So I personally had this experience where I had learned, but वो थोड़ा सा structured और थोड़ा strict way था, which did not align with the lifestyle we usually live. So media वगैरह में when you work, you almost like कभी लेट तक जागना पड़ता है, कभी भी बॉस मीटिंग में बुला रहा है, कभी घर पे काम होता है. So it was not possible for me to do that entire structured way. तो मैंने छोड़ दिया था. I was like ये नहीं होगा मुझसे and let's give up on it. तो बाद में जब मैम ने रेकी सिखाया वापस से, she made it very simple and I also felt connected to it because I thought कि हाँ मतलब I am not having that much time कि मैं सुबह उठ के पूरा प्रोसेस कर सकूं 4 बजे 5 बजे, बट एंड आई एम ऑलवेज रनिंग अराउंड. तो एट दैट मोमेंट व्हेन जैसे एज सुन एज ऐसा लगता है अरे हम लोग को मीटिंग के लिए जाना है और फट से सिंबल चाहिए, तो यू जस्ट कॉल अपॉन इट एंड द वर्क इज डन. So she makes it very, very simple. You feel very light, you feel very connected to it. And for me, it has been very helpful. So I'm very grateful to both my teachers, Pooja ma'am as well as Meghavi ma'am, क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. मुझे स्ट्रेसफुल फील नहीं होता about doing anything or following anything. So yeah, I would obviously like suggest and recommend everyone कि अगर आपने किया भी है तो you should surely give it a shot. You'll definitely receive some wisdom nuggets and some more connectivity with the entire healing modality. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dimple. It meant a lot. Yeah,
yes.
thank you. Thank you, everyone. So, again, once again, Happy New Year. And this is a I'm so happy that you all are here and start your new year with this beautiful space and ready to attune with this energy because it is all about your readiness and your willingness. Universe तो आपको कभी से देना चाहता है, but now you are ready to connect with the universe and receive from them and keep smiling, keep creating magic in your life and everyone's life because we all are magical beings. Yeah, thank you.
यस थैंक यू सो मच मेघावी जी, बहुत बहुत ग्रैटिट्यूड आपको रियली. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे सेशन. आई फेल्ट सो लाइट, इट वाज रियली ब्यूटीफुल. And a big shout out to all the participants also. You all are always ready. So many of you shared it with your friends, family. You're doing light work, which is very nice. So thank you हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए. We'll keep bringing exciting courses. Thank you so much. A very good
Yeah,
night and a happy new year. Bye bye.
thank you.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.